See how easily you can repair and restore your vinyl and leather upholstery. Our amazing products make it easy. To get started, first remove any loose or peeling material. We used a heat gun to make it easier. Next, clean the area with non-acetone fingernail polish remover. Now we're ready to put on our Bond and Flex leather and vinyl repair. We applied a smooth, even coat using our spreader, working back into the non-affected areas. After applying a smooth, even coat, dip your gloved finger into water and smooth over the Bond and Flex areas. Once you've allowed your Bond and Flex to dry overnight, it's now time to sand. We used a medium grit sanding block to thoroughly sand away any rough edges. A good tip is to remove your glove and use your hand to determine if you have the surface nice and smooth. Once we have everything sanded smooth, it's now time to paint. Finish All Paint is designed to paint leather and vinyl, giving you a brand new restored color in just a few steps. Simply smooth on the paint using our True Applicator sponge or our Syntec brush. Finish All Paint is self-leveling and dries to a beautiful low luster matte sheen. Our True Applicator truly takes the pain out of painting and helps you achieve great projects every time. Stippling or pouncing the True Applicator helps to camouflage irregular surfaces. A great tip is to use plastic liter bottles or even pool noodles to hold your cushions apart while painting and drying. With less than 2 hours of real working time and 1 quart of paint, we transformed this sofa that was destined for the landfill. Here's the final results. Get started today renewing your home and find all the products used here.